YouTube. I want to make a little film here of something that I discovered. I made a little different setup of the Bedini SS SSG, the solid state version. There is a coil here with I think a gauge, well, it's probably 18. I did about 30 meters, one wire and another wire, same, maybe 20 meters, and also two sets of small wire. One is not used and one is trigger wire. Now I'm using the two thick wires, one as the primary coil here and one as a generator coil, and I am now using this generator coil with the bridge rectifier in series and then charge the battery, and it seems to work quite okay. It's now at 1272. This morning it's already going to 73, and the primary is back to 1238. Now it's using 350 milliamps. I hope you can see that. It's 350 milliamps. Bad light. It's terrible weather here. It's raining. Cats and dogs. Terrible. Anyway, I'm now going back to the standard way, not in series with the primary battery, just directly the bridge rectifier over the coil. I'll just connect two wires different, and then we'll see what the charging is. So I'm gonna put the camera away and do this. Okay, back again. I now made the bridge rectifier go directly over it, and some adjustments to make here. Very hard to adjust it to the exact same current. Anyway, the primary is around 1239, 38. I'm now using 310 milliamps. It's going slowly up. 320. It's the pot meter is not very great for adjusting at this moment. But anyway, the battery, the secondary battery that's directly over the bridge rectifier is now at 1261, and it's not rising very fast, as you can see. The current is going up slowly. It's now 320 milliamps. Primary is still 1239. The charging is not very well. It's even going back to 1260. My current is of course a little lower, so I will adjust it, and I will put it even a little higher. Which is very hard to do. Okay, it's now 40. It's going right up. It's 430 milliamps. But look at the charging. It's still at 1260. Not moving much. While my primary is at 1236, going down. Current is much more. It's going up even more. It's 46. I can get the core out of there, and then you really have a lot of current. That's not doing much. Well, it's slowly going up a little. 1261, but it's not very good. So I'm going back to my way of charging it. Let's see what happens. Okay, I just connected it again. Primary is 1244. Current is 210 milliamps, and look at my charge is already going up. 1262. I'm waiting. 1263. There we go. And I'm only using 210 milliamps. Primary is 1242. That's something completely different. Now I'm going to 340 milliamps in. Look at the charging. 1264, 65. And the primary is slowly going down and it's 1240. So it's definitely better. Now there we go, 1266. This was not happening in the standard way. Now why is this? Well, I think you have a spike which normally goes with a one diode this direction, but there's also the back EMF. I'm always confused with back EMF and EMF, but anyway, there's also one running this way to go against the current that you put in the first time, and this is only 80% or something, so let's say it's 8 or 9 volts. You cannot charge a 12 volt battery with 8 or 9 volts. You can, however, load a capacitor with this. That's what's being done, and then dump the capacitor when it's high enough into the battery. But this way you don't need that. You can use both currents or voltages or energy or whatever, and through the bits rectifier you give it a level of 12 volts already, so everything that's above 1 volt is already charging the battery. And it seems to do, because it's already at 1268, 69, and the primary battery is now at 1238, and I'm using 340 milliamps. I just wanted to show this. Maybe we can do something with this. Thanks for watching.